There are bags and then there are bags that truly start a conversation. I am with someone who creates dreams out of clutches. Meera Mahadevia, thank you so much for joining us. Meera retails her exquisite collection of clutches at Amazon India, and I have to start this conversation by asking her what are the biggest trends in clutches this spring summer?
The biggest trends this spring summer is the colors, various colors, and for me the colors come from all the traditional Indian woven textiles that we have, and also different colored stones, semi-precious stones I've used that beyond any kind of facade of different techniques of entrapment, sequence work, cut work, 3D pop art. There's a beautiful traditional craftsmanship in my bag.
On Meera's clutches, we also see a lot of very heavy surface texturing. Do tell us about all the kinds of craftsmanship that you use, most of which are very deeply rooted in Indian culture.
So the most amazing part about this creation is that they are all rooted in Indian craftsmanship, like enamel work of Fatehpur, inlay work of Agra, wood carving. Then there is Halkari Kam, there is Theva Kam. So all this work has been rendered in a contemporary style. So it's a very interesting line and something which from all age groups, the young girls will be interested in them because I've used certain techniques which are very young, and also going to something which is traditional where an older person also would be, able to enjoy it.
Box clutches are something that are hugely trending at parties and at cocktail events and even on the red carpet. What about the Minaudière is so amazing?
The box clutches, I feel that it's not the box clutch, but how it is rendered and what styling it has been in. So that's what is, different. And I feel as an Indian accessory designer, I'm so proud to use this different craftsmanship in the most contemporary, so to say, silhouette of a box clutch.
Meera, we also see you do a lot of potlis and a lot of, Indian versions of, say, what the clutch is today. A lot of batuas, in fact, with very explicit kitsch element. Would you recommend maybe carrying a batua or a potli to, say, a wedding or a sangeet vis-a-vis, say, a regular clutch?
I feel batwas are so fun, the exuberance they have and the softness with which the comfort of a batwa, which is, I feel it's been there for so many years. So it's again, bringing that whole look of something which is traditional yet royal, back into the today's time. So batwas are very nice. They're vibrant. They are very easy to carry, and very easy. You can just tuck it in your dress, or very amazingly flexible. So I love the batwa style.
And what we also see on your clutches are a lot of gold embellishment with semi-precious stones. What truly makes for a really glam clutch, and how does one wear it? Where does one wear it to? Most importantly,
I think our clutches are for every occasion. It's also a lot of people have worn on red carpets, and our clutches are worn by even international, actors. And I feel that a clutch which makes a statement because it's different. It has some craftsmanship. It's done by the most amazing tool, which is hand. So that speaks volumes, and it can be worn in many different occasions. Like it just makes it special because it's done by hand.
we know that lots of celebrities love your clutches. Do you have a favorite?
My favorite was Frida Pinto. When she came, she was like so wonderfully innocent about her whole, role in Slumdog, and she wanted me to design clutches for the red carpet, and and then rest is history where she left, and she's still in touch, and it's so wonderful to have these kind of clients who are so appreciative of your work.
Other than Frida, any other celebrity who's done total justice to your clutches?
I think Rekha, Kiran Kher, and Gauri Khan also wears them. And yeah, a lot of people. Anushka Sharma, yeah.
So, Meera, tell me, if one is carrying one of your statement clutches, is it safe to say that you can leave your jewelry home?
Yeah, in fact, it's such a nice way that you put it. You really don't need, because it's like a jewel piece. You carry a clutch, and you can just wear earrings, maybe not something in your neck, and just carry a clutch. And the clutches are beautiful slings, so it also sort of compensates for a bangle or a kada.
So it's the clutch this season, not jewelry, and it's also a very, very functional accessory to have. You can put in your cell phone, your lipstick. What more can you expect from a piece of accessory? Thank you so much, Meera, for joining us.